Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Zangi account. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Before we begin, it's important to know that recovering your Zangi account will depend on whether you still have, as an example, your login details. If you don't know your Zangi number or never created the password, the recovery may not be possible. So as an example, let's just go and access our Zangi. For me, I'm already logged in into my account. And this number normally is required to log in. If you don't have that number, it will be tricky. But as an example now, let me just go and log out from this account. Here, just click on my profile and click on sign out. And as an example, keep the history, it's fine. So as you can see now, you would like to sign in into your account, but you forgot, as an example, your number. So what can you do? As I said, without the number that you have, normally you will not be able to do it. So the number, even if you forgot it, as you can see, it's saved here for me because I didn't delete history once I signed out. If you deleted history, it will be very tricky. For the password, as you can see as well, as you can see from here, there is no option also to choose that you forgot your account or something. So you'll basically have to enter your password as well. So there is no option from here if you forgot, an example, your password or your number to recover the account. The only option is basically to contact the support itself, and that will only work if, as an example, your account got disabled because of an issue, and then you can just go and contact, as an example, the support and ask them to give you access to your account back. And in order to contact support, you can do that on your PC or phone. For me, I prefer on PC. Just go and open a new browser, as an example, type Zangi contact support, click on the first link, which is contact, and here, as an example, enter your name, company, email, and the message, an example, right here. But it is not sure thing that you'll be able to recover it, but something that's worth trying. So keep in mind that if you forgot your Zangi number or never created a password during the registration, Zangi does not offer a standard password reset for your personal accounts because your identity information isn't stored on its server. So in that case, you may need to create a new account. And that's basically all for me today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, hit that like and subscribe and watch our next video.